Going out the boat. What you got? Hold them up, man. That's a nice one. Nice boat and the release. See ya. Nice, man. Nice, bro. First one out the boat. Oh, got me a bass. Got me a bass. 1-1, Noah. Stop it. Oh, seriously? It flipped right out of my hand.
Does it count?
Huh?
Does it still count?
Yeah, it counts.
You didn't get to hold it.
I did get the hole. I brought my finger in his mouth. As soon as I got him unhooked, he flipped out of my hand. Reaction tackle jig, baby. Oh, come on. Are you serious? You see that? I got screwed. Ah, I got a monster, Noah. He sucked me right under there. See? I got a monster, Noah. That's a nice one. Look at that. Freaking giant. That's a nice one. He wanted that jig too. Reaction tackle jig, baby. That's what it is right there. Reaction tackle jig. Get you one. Save 15%. Use my code. Links will be in the description. Man, I hooked him good too. He wasn't coming off. I went in one way and came out the other way. See that? Noah,
Yeah.
I got the biggest one of the day so far. All right, buddy. I know you've been out the water for a minute. See ya. Cool.